Thanks for being open to trying new things in our group. I know change can be intimidating, but I promise this is going to be amazing. So let's start with a quick introduction to Facebook guides to get you familiar with why this matters and how we're going to use them to support our market. So what are guides and how do they work? Well, first, they used to be called units. Facebook literally just started rolling that change out yesterday. They were originally introduced in 2018 as a powerful tool to help organize and structure content. While they were originally meant for the education sector, they have evolved, as all Facebook features do, to become very useful in groups like ours. Nothing changes in terms of how you'll create and publish your posts. Everything still starts in the discussion feed. Guides just allow us to organize our posts into groups so viewers can easily find and browse them at later times. Another benefit is that guides come with reporting, or insights, whatever you want to call it, that lets you see which posts are popular and what's getting glossed over. This can help you offer customers more of what they want to see at the right times. You can also add and remove posts from your guides at any time. Don't worry, when you remove a post from a guide, it remains in the discussion feed, it's just no longer linked to that guide. Finally, each guide and post within can be set to mandatory or optional, so we can help group members actually see the most important content. So, marketplace groups face three main challenges, which guides easily solve. The first is lost post. You work very hard to create your posts. Then they get lost in the sea of the discussion feed, never to be seen again after just a couple of hours. It's difficult and cumbersome for your customers to surface the information that matters to them when they really need it, so we need to make that easy. The second is boring feeds. Product listing post types typically have the worst engagement, while inspiring, education, and interaction post types drive visibility and action for your business. We're moving these lower performing but highly valuable posts to guides so you can focus your scheduled posts on content that motivate customers, engage them, and keep our group visibility high throughout the session. Third is cluttered captions. Adding shopping links to every post makes them all start to look the same, and URLs are ugly. So using guides to surface vendor shopping links and page links and group links easily means that you can stop sounding like a messy robot in your posts. Okay, now you know what guides are, how they work, and why we're adding them. So now, how are we going to use them? We'll have 4 guide types that Angela and I will add and remove your posts to throughout the session. The first is welcome, which will contain things like a welcome message, a thank you to our customers for shopping local, all your introduction posts, and an intro to using guides. Vendor easy access, we will build a list of all of your shopping and or Facebook page and group links. Feel free to start sending them to us in group chat anytime. Giveaways will be all posts related to prizes. We'll add them as you post them, we'll remove them as the prizes are claimed. This makes it easy for contest lovers to find and participate in giveaways, again, increasing our group engagement and visibility. Finally, bundles and promos. Any post promoting a show discount or a bundle, not so much individual product posts, but we'll see how that goes, will be added to this guide. It'll help consumers find offers that matter to them when they're ready to make a purchase. The last post type will be the option for you to create your own guide for your own business, to highlight your products and important information. It's a great way for you to organize your products into categories and make them easy to navigate at any time. I've put together examples for how each of our businesses might use guides. But before we dig into these, let me just say, it's all suggestions. You are not obligated or expected to participate in guides at all, much less following the examples that I've laid out. But if you do choose to participate, and I highly recommend it, we want you to do it in a way that's comfortable for you. Ask for help, whether you're feeling overwhelmed or just want a little bit of input or feedback. And finally, to avoid confusion, you can only manage guides from a computer. Yep, here's another tool Facebook has left mobile out of, at least for now. Okay, now for my advice. Take it as you will. Once you've created your guide, I'd suggest a single product post per category, and then special instructions. Add as many pictures, video links, so on and so forth to each post as you'd like, and then schedule them all for day 1 of the session, so in this case Sunday. This gets all of the necessary post info out at once, only clogging up the feed once instead of throughout the rest of the session. Then, as you post your scheduled time slots, you can focus on inspiring customers to use your products and pointing them to your guide for selection and to shop. Now let's check out the category examples I put together. But please remember, I don't work in your business every day. So the examples I've laid out are my best guess as a marketer and may not fit your business at all. I will not be offended if you don't agree with my take. So the first category is health and beauty. So the categories that I came up with here would be maybe bath bombs, scrubs, creams, nail polish colors, makeups, and cleansers. Other post types for this might be skin type, color wheels, or flavors and scents. Clothing and jewelry, maybe your product categories are shoes, everyday clothes, outdoor gear, sleepwear, earrings, rings, so on and so forth. Your other post types might be sizing guides, return policies, or color and material options. Kitchen products, I'd say maybe food storage, bakeware, utensils, gadgets, small appliances, specialty tools for your categories, and then other post types like warranty, how to use info, and maybe recipes. For household products, I'd say warmers, wax bar scents, cleaning products, laundry products, pet care products, and maybe specialty tools as your categories, and then other post types like warranty, product care details, and scent options. For food products, I'd go with maybe vegan or vegetarian, spicy and sweet, mains and indulgence, and preserves as your categories, and then other post types like serving sizes, allergy warnings, and recipes. Finally, for general merchandise, I'd say cleaning, edible products, home decor, clothing, signs, dishes, or glassware. If you're all home decor, maybe you break it down by room, by season, that type of thing. For your other post types here, I'd go with maybe order lead times, custom order rules, and warranties. That's about it. Next, I'll post a much quicker video probably about how to actually find and use this tool in our group. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.